Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix it if the Outlook inbox view suddenly changed. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the Outlook app. So in the new version, all you have to do is go to the top and click on the View tab. After that, choose one of these icons to choose an inbox view and then click on it. You can click on the folder list, you can show it as you can see, and you can also click on sort folders from A to Z, and then you can change it to custom. Now click here to show the ribbon. This is the classic ribbon. You can go ahead and change the density as well. So you can go to the right, click on Density, and then click on Roomy. Then the view changes to Roomy. Now choose Cozy. You can choose Compact, whichever view you want. So this was how to fix the Outlook inbox view suddenly changing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.